This is Geneva, the second most populous city in Switzerland after the capital city, Zurich. Geneva is a global city and a worldwide center for diplomacy due to the presence of numerous international organizations, including the headquarters of many agencies of the United Nations and the Red Cross. It shares a unique distinction as a city which serves as the headquarters of at least one critical international organization without being the capital of a country.
Okay, guys, so this is the United Nations headquarters here in Geneva, and this is me. You like it? Well, it's been an amazing time out here. The city is so beautiful, like so beautiful. Different people, different um, view, beautiful buildings. Just take a look at all of it. Right? So yeah, that's it. Amazing. Uh, what else do I want to say? I gotta go take some pictures. Very like you.
Geneva is said to be the eighth most expensive city in the world, with Singapore topping the chart. It is also the seventh most livable city in the world. Apart from it being the headquarters of the United Nations, it is also a tourist city as it hosts the remarkable water jet known as Jet d'eau, the famous flower clock, and the historical broken chair. The broken chair is a monumental sculpture in wood designed by Swiss artist Daniel Besset and constructed by carpenter Louis Geneva. It is constructed of 5.5 tons of wood and it is 12 meters high.
Originally conceived by handicapped international with the aim of originating snow mine. That is what this signifies in Geneva.
The message of the broken chair is simple. Remember the victims of landmines and urge your government to promote a ban on landmines. In 1997, a treaty to ban the use of anti-personnel mines was signed into action. It became known as the Ottawa Treaty or the Mine Ban Treaty. At the same time, to encourage nations to sign on to the treaty and stop the use of landmines, the non-governmental organization known as Handicap International commissioned Swiss sculptor Daniel Besset to create the broken chair to draw attention to the victims of mine. The result of it was a 39-feet sculpture with its left leg broken in half that now stands in front of the United Nations. It was initially only supposed to stay for 3 months, but now it has been there for 26 years and has become a landmark of international Geneva. Up next is the water jet known as Jet d'eau. Stay tuned to this channel for more.